from Australia, and assisting her today, also Purser Wayne from South Africa, and Senior Flight Steward Ali from Lebanon. It's our pleasure welcoming you on board this Emirates Flight EK404 service to Melbourne via Singapore. Flight time to Melbourne is 6 hours and 53 minutes, and we'll be reaching a final cruising altitude of 37,000 feet. You can follow our progress on the Sky Show channel on your video screens. The weather in Melbourne reported to be fine at the moment, expecting a temperature of around 18 degrees Celsius on our arrival. And in classic Melbourne weather, expecting a high of 31 degrees, thunderstorms in the evening, and then a temperature back around 20 degrees. I'm expecting mainly smooth flying conditions en route. However, for your own safety, it's important to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times while we are in the air. Just before descent, I'll get back to the latest weather and arrival details. In the meantime, welcome again from the flight deck. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the service. Thank you.
By our security laws that are sent to you. Your crew will issue you 2 documents which you must complete. These documents will also be available in the terminal on your arrival. The first document will be a travel history card. This card will ask you if you have travelled to Africa in the past 21 days. The card will also contain important health information about Ebola. It is extremely important that you answer this honestly.
past 8 o'clock, and we should be at the gate a few minutes after that. Weather in Melbourne, reported to be fine, 17 degrees and clear skies. Hope you've enjoyed the flight. Thanks again for choosing to fly with Emirates Airline, and have a great day. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Melbourne International Airport, where the local time here is 8:40 in the morning and the outside temperature is 17 degrees. Please stay in your seat with your seatbelt firmly fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. You can now use your mobile telephones. Please check that your seat pocket and overhead locker to make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you. If you do need any help transferring to another flight, please contact the airport services staff meeting this flight. Please collect all luggage and continue to customs. If you are travelling onwards to another flight, please go to the relevant check-in areas. Thank you for flying Emirates in partnership with Qantas. We hope you have enjoyed your flight and look forward to being of service to you once again in the very near future. Thank you and a very good morning.
Cabin crew, doors in question.